your LinkedIn inbox and all the options that you have for settings in the inbox that you possibly didn't know about. If we go to our messaging inbox on LinkedIn, and appears on desktop on the left hand side of your screen, and go to the three little dots to the right of the word messaging, go into manage settings, and that pulls open a screen that says data privacy. You can also go into here through your privacy settings on your drop down menu. And if we scroll down through that, there are options here that you want to make sure you have the right settings for yourself. So under who can reach you, if you click on messages, you can toggle on yes or no for message requests, which allows people to send you messages, in-mail messages, which is, are you allowing other people to send you in-mail? In-mail is the premium mail service on LinkedIn. And open profile messages. So do you allow anybody on the network to send you a message and connect with you? So check what settings you want in there. For message requests, you can block people from sending you messages. And if we just turn that to no, that means people cannot send you messages. If they are your first level connections, they can send you messages, however. So just look in, that is the who can reach you options. Then let's look at the messaging experience. So the first option is focused inbox. Do you want LinkedIn to sort your messages by relevance into a focused tab and an other tab? So if I have this set to focused, if you look at my messages, we can see focused, which are messages from people that I already know, and other, which tends to be where I'm getting more of the in-mails and the sales messages, potentially messages from people that I'm not necessarily connected to. And the focused messages are people who have sent me a message and I have accepted it, or people that I am currently connected with and having business relationships with. If we turn that off and we go back to look at the messaging, that should update and disappear as a focused inbox. I think it's quite useful to have a focused inbox. Okay, the next setting is read receipts and typing indicators. So when you're messaging someone who has this indicated, you can see when the other person is typing and when the message is read. So if you want to know when people have read your message, maybe you're sending something to a client or you're sending something to one of your team members and you want to know when they've read the message, you can turn on read receipts and typing indicators. Messaging suggestions is the AI offering automated systems to recognize patterns in messages. I have this set to on, and it could be that it sets the tone of your message, so is it formal or informal, or it will just literally suggest what your response will be to somebody. This usually happens when you get a new message from someone and you'll see some options that say, thanks Karen, or hi Karen, or thumbs up, or something like that. That's what that looks like. Message nudges are reminders about messages you have not responded to, and these come in your email. So you get an email to say you have messages you have not responded to. You can set that on or off as well. And then the final option is automated detection of harmful content. So detecting certain policy violations by others, such as harassment, for messages that are sent to you. I have not got that turned on, and luckily I haven't had to use it yet. So those are some of the settings on your messaging inbox, and I'd be interested to know what, if any of these, you are using.